Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you're using an administrator account so changes can apply immediately. Once confirmed, save work and disconnect external networks to avoid conflicts. Open Device Manager from Start. This is where Windows lists hardware. Make sure you can identify the network adapter name shown under Network Adapters. If you see multiple entries, note the model or vendor. Now right-click the adapter to expose the first maintenance actions, like disable or uninstall. Choose Uninstall only if you plan to You now uninstall the adapter. Right-click it and select Uninstall Device. If the checkbox Delete the driver software for this device appears, check it only when you want a full clean. Once uninstalled, restart the computer so Windows can rescan hardware and attempt an automatic reinstall. If automatic reinstall doesn't occur, make sure you have the manufacturer's driver on a USB or download it on another machine. Then run the vendor installer or use Device Managers, update driver option, and point to the downloaded package. You finish by installing the correct driver manually if needed. In Device Manager, choose Update Driver, then browse My Computer for drivers and point to the folder containing the vendor files. Make sure the installed driver version matches the adapter model and reboot once complete. After reboot, test connectivity and confirm the adapter shows enabled. If the adapter still fails, try a system restore point from before changes. Check BIOS settings for disabled networking or temporarily disable Secure Boot. These steps resolve driver signature or firmware conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.